Introduction to C Programming. Who was developed C language? Option A. Dennis Ritchie. BCPL full form. Basic Combined Programming Language. Option B is the correct answer. C Programming is a procedural oriented language. Option C. Shortcut key for C program compilation. Option A. Alt plus F9. The smallest individual unit in the C program are. Option C. Token. How many types of tokens in C program? Option D. 6 types. Standard input function in C program. Option D. All of the above. Scanf, getf, getch. Standard output function in C program. All of the above. Printf, putch, puts. Conversion for string. Option B. Percentage S. Conversion for integer. Option A. Percentage D. How many types of preprocessor directives? Option B. 3. Macro substitution directives are. Option A. Define. File inclusion directives are. Option B. Include. Preprocessor directives are executed before. Option B. Compilation. Preprocessor operator is. Option D. How many types of operator? Option C. 7 types. Dash are used to compare two operands. Option B. Relational operator. Increment and decrement operator is unary operator. Option A. The file extension for C programming.c. Option B is the correct answer. When was developed C programming? Option D. 1972. A C variable name can start with underscore. Option C. Prototype of a function main. Option C. Declaration of function. Name the loop that executed the at least once. Option C. Do while. C program are converted into machine language with the help of. Option B. A compiler. A C variable cannot start with alphabet. Option B and C. A C variable cannot start with. Option D. Both B and C. A number, a special symbol other than underscore. Special symbol other than underscore. Which of the following is allowed in C arithmetic instruction? Option C. Bitwise operator can operate upon. Option D. Ins and chars. What is C token? Option D. A and B. The smallest individual unit of C program. The basic element recognized by compiler. Which is the right way to declare constant in C? Option D. Both. B and C both. Which operator are known as ternary operator? Option B. In switch statement, each instance value must be constant. The C language is context-free language. C is high-level language. What will be the output of the following arithmetic expression? Option A. What will be the output of the following statement? None of the above. What will be the output? Just to go through this question, what will be the output of the following statement? Int A equal to 4, B equal to 7, C equal to A equal to B. Option A. 0 is the answer. What will be the output of the following statement? Option C. Infinite number of times. Just to go through this program, void main, printf hello main. What will be the output of the following statement? Option B. 43. What is the work break keyword? Exit from the loop or switch statement. Option C. A name having a few letters, number and special character underscore is called. Option D. Identifier. What is the types of numerical constant used in C programming language? Option C. Both A and B. What is integer constant? Option D. All of the above. C language developed at. Option A. Which of the following shows the correct hierarchy arithmetic operations in C? Option D. Addition, division, subtraction and multiplication. Option D is the correct answer. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Option D. What is keywords? Keywords have some predefined meanings and this meaning cannot be changed. Option C. What is constant? Constant have fixed value that do not change during the execution of a program. Option A is the correct answer. Which one of the following sentence is true? Option B. While loop is executed at once. The statement printf. Option D is the correct answer. What will be the output of the following statement? Printf. Option D. What will be the output of the following statement? Option B is the correct answer. Just to go through these solve questions. Which of the following sentences true? While loop is executed at once. What is constant? Constant have fixed value that do not change during the execution of program. What is keyword? Keyword having some meaning. That meaning cannot be changed. What is the following shows the correct hierarchy arithmetic operation in C? Option D. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. C language developed at option A. Next question. Which is integer constant? Option D. All of the above. A name having a letter, number and special character underscore. Option D. Identifier. What is the work of break keyword? Option C. Exit from loop or switch statement. What will be the output for following statement? Option D. None of the above. What will be the output of the following arithmetic expression? Option A. C is a language, high level language. The C language contains free language. In switch statement, each instance value must be constant. Which operator are known as ternary operator? Option B. Which is the right way to declare constant in C? Option D. What is C token? Option D. Bitwise operator can operate upon option D, ins and chars. Which of the following are loaded in arithmetic instruction? Option C. Yes, a C variable cannot start with option B, a number, special character other than underscore. C program converted into machine language with the help of compiler. Name the loop execute at once. Option C, do while. Prototype function means declaration of function. Option C. A C variable start with option C underscore. When was developed C programming? Option D, 1972. The file extension for C program.c. Increased and decreased increment and decrement operator is unary operator. Relational operator are used to compare two operands. How many types of operands is 7. Preprocessor operator is option D. Preprocessor directives are executed before option B. Compilation. File exclusion directives are option B. Macro substitution directives are option A. How many types of preprocessor directives? Option B. Conversion for integer, option A. Standard output function in C program, all of the above. Printf. Standard input for function in C program, all of the above. Scanf, getchf, getch. How many types of tokens? Option D, 6 types. The smallest individual units in C program tokens. Shortcut key for C program compilation, add plus F9. C program is a procedural oriented language. BCPL full form, basic combined programming language. Who has developed C language? Dennis Rich.